So I'm at the suite real early in the morning. We've gotten so much done, y'all, but like I said, I don't know when the last time I was vlogging. So I have a client at 11 a.m. It's 10:40. So I got the TV on. I'm gonna put on some SWAT, and then when she gets here, I'll put on some Pandora. The room, I need to get some pictures for these. I got my sugar going. My table is set up, so we're good to go. This is what it looks like so far. I did decide I'm gonna paint this black so it can match the cabinet, and then I'm gonna get some gold hardware instead of silver. But yeah, this is just a quick little tour, you know. I need to get rid of this stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that when it stops raining. But yeah, that's just a quick update. I decided I was gonna vlog today because I have a big gap in my schedule. So I'm gonna see what all we can get done today. As far as productivity, I need to go back to Hobby Lobby. My only thing is I want to spray paint these letters, but it's raining all day today, so I don't know if I'll be able to do that outside. But yeah, just get with us. I don't know what we're doing today exactly, but we're gonna vlog something. I just don't understand why IKEA has to make literally everything difficult. Like, why does this picture frame need all these? Why?
You know that space was, I'm so glad that we did not get that space. My God. That space is huge, though. It's going to cost so much to do it, you know?
Yeah.
So they still, all they did was took up those carpet tiles, flooring in there, and they put black paint on the walls, but not even all the walls, just some of the walls. And that's it. They did nothing else. It's just been empty for weeks.
Waste of money.
Okay, Duncan, how may I help you?
Hi, can I please have a medium iced caramel coffee, add almond milk and sugar? Yep, and can I please have a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel? Yep, and that'll be all.
All right, 1098, come to the window.
Thank you. Thank you.
We will be right up.
Okay. Thank you.
There's only one order.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi Adriana. If you're new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. It is another esthetician vlog. So basically today, I have a mess going on right here at my feet that I need to get together. Oh, basically, it is Saturday morning. I have a few clients today, so I'm gonna try, and I have a lot of errands I need to run. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can today because I want to get this edited and put to the side so I can upload it next week. But my boyfriend and I are going camping this weekend. We're going to the what is it called? What is that place called? The Getaway House. the getaway house. So we're going camping to the getaway house this weekend. We're leaving tomorrow afternoon to go. So I just have a couple errands to run for that. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it today. I picked up my breakfast at Dunkin'. I gotta put this fridge together, or not together, but you know, unplug it, get it set up. I need to finish some DIY projects I have going down here. I need to mop the floor one more time with some boiling hot water so I can take that stuff away. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we are just going to get into the video. It is 9:22 and my first client's at 10. So let's get the room situated. Oh, I spilled. Let's get situated. I have some Amazon packages that I need to open. I need to fold some laundry and I need to clean this mirror. So I have 40 minutes to do that and enjoy my breakfast. So let's get to it. Okay, I am set up and ready to go for the day. So I'm about to eat my breakfast. It's 9:38, so I got about 20 minutes. So I'm eating my bagel. And yeah, take my clients. So I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. Obviously I can't record my services, so BRB. Okay, so I have a little break in my schedule for my last client. I was supposed to, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock now. My next client was supposed to be at 1, but she just texted me asking me if she can come earlier at 12, which is absolutely perfect. I also wanted to re-dye my eyebrow because it's just not, first focus, it's not sticking like the color. But I think I'm gonna do that. Should I do that right now? Maybe I should do that, so then while I'm unboxing, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my hands. Let's open up this fridge. I'm super excited. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to figure out now is the fridge is a tiny bit taller than the table because because I plan on putting the fridge under the table. Now, the table does come up a little bit, so I'm wondering if I should try to lift the table up higher to fit the fridge under, or if I should just leave it on the side. So that's what I'm trying to figure out now. Okay, so the table is literally like an inch too short, and I raised it as high as it can go. But I'm not gonna cry about it. I'm gonna put everything back on here and see how I can make it blend. And it's gonna be great. It'll be fine. We'll figure it out. Okay, we got the fridge up and running. She is so cute. I need them to come put this cord behind my TV so that I can properly use my outlet. But anyways, besides that, the fridge is super freaking cute. I attached the handle and the bottle opener. Inside is cooling. She's working. I'm gonna let her cool over the weekend, and then we'll do a stocking video on Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, she's so cute. So now I'm gonna clean up this room, clean up this mess, and then I'm gonna go work on one more project, which is putting my letters on this wall. They're down here in this box. So I'm gonna work on that project, and hopefully I'm leaving here by not late, so I don't know. I decided I'm just gonna shut down shop. I'm filming a day in the life too, so that's why it's so choppy, because I'm tired, first of all. But anyways, I'm shutting down shop because, like I said, I'm tired. I need to go home, take a bathroom break. There's a bathroom here, but if you know what I mean. I'm gonna go home, take a bathroom break, and then run my errands because it's hot outside, so I ain't trying to be out here all day. But let me get my phone. Make sure this wax pot is off. Wax pot off, light off. Let me get my phone. I'm gonna do those, the wall sign. I'm gonna do the wall sign tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, but sometime next week. Because I wanna have patience for it. And if I do it right now, it's gonna be a mess. So, everything is shut down. Get a couple mints for the road. Trash. TV is off. We're about to get up out of here.